Looking at these two circles, we've seen in the first case, the circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Of those 4 equal parts, we have 3 of those parts. So the fraction to represent the shading in the circle is 3/4. In the second circle, we see that this circle is divided into 8 equal parts. Of these 8 equal parts, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, actually 6/8. And we've seen here that 3/4 is the same as 6/8. The value of a fraction is unchanged if we multiply or divide both its numerator and denominator by the same amount. Going back to the example I provided before, we realized that 3/4 is the same as 6/8. But understand what the following slide is saying. If we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same number, we get an equivalent fraction. 3 multiplied by what gives you 6? 3 multiplied by 2 will give you 6. And if you multiply 4 by 2, you'll get 8. So we see here that the following is true. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. If we multiply them by the same number, we get an equivalent fraction. This is all the following side is saying. And these other examples show that, okay, 16/64 is same as 1/4. 1 multiplied by 16 will give you 16, and 4 multiplied by 16 will give you 64. Because if we multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same number, we'll get the other fraction, then these two fractions are equivalent. Similarly, 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12, and 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. So 3/5 and 12/20 is equivalent fractions. They are basically the same fraction expressed differently.